Hi there, people of the interweb. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ukachi. If you're new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing by hitting the big red subscribe button that is below, a notification bell beside it. And if you're new to my channel, welcome back home. So today's video, you know that once you're in this bathroom, it's a one day video, is about to go down. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys like my sort of minimalist wash day routine. I know I have a lot of wash day videos in my wash day playlist linked here, but we're going to be trying out some new products today. Okay, I'm going to be using the Kui products I received in PR. I shared it already with you guys in my unboxing video. So without further ado, you know how we do. Let us get right into the video. I'm not pre-pooing because pre-pooing is necessary, yeah, but like the set will not come with any pre-pooing products, so I'm not even going to bother myself. I'm going to be using their Kui Tea Tree Cinnamon and Moisturizing Shampoo. This is a 500 ml shampoo. I can't use this before, have I? Not on my hair, on my sister's hair, okay? So yeah, I'm also going to be using their moisturizing conditioner. They didn't say it's a deep conditioner, so like a moisturizing conditioner. I'm going to use it to be tan because my hair is quite tangled. Yeah, so after which I'm going to actually like deep condition with Mega Growth. You guys have already seen this review on this channel, on my Instagram, everywhere. So I'm going to be using the Mega Growth anti-breakage, strengthen and restore and repair deep conditioner. And finally, to style, you guys know that I'm not a fan. Like if I'm washing my hair, I like doing my hair in the bathroom. I don't like carrying my hair to go and start doing outside. Yeah, so I'm going to be using their Kui Tea Tree and Cinnamon Moisturizing Hair Cream. The last thing in their set is the hair mist. I'm not using the hair mist today because my hair already been moisturized or wet from the washing. Okay, I'm going to be using these 4 products. I'm going to tell you guys the price. The shampoo and the conditioner both retail for 2,000 naira each, which is very affordable because it's a 500 ml bottle. Like this is quite large. Then I think this retails for about 1,200 naira. I'm not sure. I think so. This retails for about 1,200 naira. While this Mega Growth was like 950 naira. So all in all, with less than like 6,000 naira, I guess, 2,000, 4,000, like 6,200 naira, you have like a complete wash day set. Okay, so let's just get into washing our hair. So the first thing is I ensured I stayed under the shower for like a minute or two to get my hair really wet, because you want your hair to be like wet so that the shampoo will lather well. So I stayed under the shower for like slightly over a minute or two. I was just under, just trying to get water everywhere in my hair. After which I went in with the shampoo. The shampoo didn't lather as much at first because I really had like build up. I hadn't washed my hair in like almost 10 days or over 10 days. So I had to focus on my scalp first. I didn't really like going with like a lot of scrubbing or anything. I just applied it round and I rinsed it off almost immediately. So I went straight ahead to rinse it off with warm water. Ensure you rinse off the shampoo from your hair very well. Don't like mice water. Use enough water to rinse off any product from your hair once you're washing your hair. After which I shampooed again. I wanted to just shampoo again, and this was where like I think I made a mistake because this shampoo sort of stripped my hair. Ensure you check out the product review of this product to know like what's up with each product. I didn't apply so much shampoo or anything, but like it already stripped my hair. You can even see it from the way my hair looks in this video. So I tried to like shampoo my edges, like not too hard obviously. Then I went ahead to just wash off everything again. After shampooing, I went in with the conditioner. This conditioner was really moisturizing, had a very good sleep, and even lathered slightly because it's a very good product for co-washing. And because of that, I'm going to start co-washing my hair quite a lot. You all should get ready, okay? So I use it to detangle my hair. I just finger detangled all around because my hair was sort of tangled. I said it before at the beginning of this video. I went all around, after which I just took out my time to wash it off. After rinsing the conditioner, I went in with my fave, the Mega Good Deep Conditioner. You guys know how much I love this product. I'm going to have the product review linked at the top right corner as per usual. So I first went in heavy-handed all around my hair like I was one. Before I went in to like start like loosening, taking down each twist, I went in all around as one. Don't try this method because you're going to waste a lot of your product. I actually wasted quite a lot of my product, guys, and I'm not happy about that. Okay, yeah. After which I went ahead to wear my shower cap for about 10 minutes. Yeah, this is me in my shower cap, and I went ahead to rinse it off camera. After deep conditioner, I went in with the Curry hair cream to use and style my hair. I wanted to do bunting, not keep my hair stretched. This product, you can see I'm actually very happy. I really like the consistency of this product. I look at how it looks. It looks just like ice cream, vanilla ice cream. I applied it to my hair because my hair was still sort of damp. I didn't use any towel in my hair or anything else. I really don't like using towels or anything in my hair. I prefer like my hair to just air dry, and I just twisted my hair and like bunting knotted my hair. If you want a bunting knot tutorial, click the link in the top right corner right now. That will take you to my bunting knot tutorial from 2019. If you want an updated one, please tell me in the comment section. Comment #bantu and you get it ASAP. This is my hair after the wash day. My hair is really clean, feeling really soft and really cute. Okay, so I put my hair in bantu knots because I want it to be stretched. So this is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please tell me in the comment section what 4 products you must use on your wash day. Like, tell me your ride or die for. Is it going to be just Ayurvedic herbs or something? Tell me in the comment section. Okay, so subscribe to my channel. The review for the Curry products will be up on this channel probably after this video or before this video. If it's already up, then I'm going to have it linked here. If not, it's going to be after this video. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel. Follow me across all social media platforms and natural Ukachi. Follow me everywhere, even on TikTok. Okay, and I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember that God is watching you, so give God a beautiful show. Bye.